R.S. Sondhi of Amul. And Mrs. Sondhi, always a delight, interacting with you. We started interacting with you on the day lockdown was announced. Now we're interacting with you when lockdown actually, in a sense, has been removed. Instead of lockdown, we want to use the word unlock 1.0. So, Mr. Sondhi, you've done a great job. And if there is one company which clearly goes with the Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat is Amul, because after flood operation or after Operation Flood, India has become completely self-dependent on their dairy and milk products. So, it's great news what Amul has done. Now, the reason why we troubled for an appointment with you today is to understand that what has happened to the dairy demand and the milk product demand in the lockdown. Because yesterday when we interacted with the management of Britannia, they were very excited about what is happening in the food and the dairy category. What's been your experience at Amul?
Nikhilji, thank you. And let me tell you, it's not trouble, it's our privilege to interact with you and your viewers. I think what you mentioned about Britannia thing, Mr. Barry, he's right. Demand for packed, branded, trusted brand has increased during lockdown and right now also. And we could see increase in demand of all our packed branded product, whether it's a butter, cheese, paneer, dairy whitener, or even Tetra Pak milk. Yeah, and packed milk, because a major segment is Horeca, that had declined because that contributes 15%. So that became more or less zero, but that was taken care by the increase in household consumption. But now, after first, now what we are saying is things are becoming normal. Although hotel restaurant demand has not increased, just 8 to 10% is there, but we are finding now our sale is much more than not only pre-COVID, compared to last June also. And demand for all products is up because what we realize now, consumer is tilting more towards in food packed product. I mean, they don't want to buy now loose milk or loose paneer or any other thing loose. And second is they are preferring more trustworthy brand. And because Amul is there for the last 7 decades and quality-wise we are much better and the affordable brand. So that is why demand for all the products is coming. Ice cream had gone down. In the March it was 95%, in the April it was 85%. May we closed with a 50% decline and now it is around 30-40% decline. I think another, because as the restaurant sector open from 8, within a fortnight I think will be the normal. So what Nikunj, I can say now things are more or less normal. It's not new normal, it's normal.
Okay. Are you in a very sweet spot right now? Because one side, most of the FMCG companies, they've cut their dealer and distribution margins. The free discounts which have been offered, they clearly are out. B, the unorganized market in a sense is getting crunched, which means the doodhwala which gave doodh in the morning suddenly is out of business. And C, in general, Amul has exhibited with their distribution and with the reach the power of their brand. So can I say this crisis has turned out to be a golden opportunity for you and you are in a very sweet spot. Inflation is down, rural economy is doing well, unorganized market is getting challenged and your brands have become bigger.
No, partially you're right, Nikunji, but let me tell you, it's not exactly everything the same. Because first is, it's not only you're talking and thinking only about market or consumer demand. Our main responsibility is towards the rural producer. Because this unorganized player is not buying milk, what you mentioned just now, and small dairy is not working, so we are getting more milk. So our major area of work is how to take care of the extra milk which is coming to us. Whatever extra milk we are not able to sell in value-added or branded products. So that extra milk we are converting into commodities, and those commodities we are conserving. No doubt we are very hopeful that another 6 months, 9 months we'll be able to sell. But that is the pressure on the working capital. As far as the first question you mentioned, you see, Amul, we don't give many consumer scheme or discount. as far as our distributors are concerned, we have not reduced, but we have increased margin. Reason is simple, because all their distributors have to pay extra to their salesmen, to their driver, and because when they come out, I mean, everybody is paying 100 to 200 rupees extra. So all our milk van drivers, we are on the stock. Every day we pay 100 rupees. If he comes out, because he's taking extra effort, whatever you may say that the lockdown has been lifted, but public transport is not available. People have to take a lot of care, and you have to encourage and motivate also. And one area of motivation is if you financially reward. So we have rewarded all our supply chain partners, transporter, distributor, dealer, loader, even our workers who are working in the plants. So that has really helped us a lot.
So, Mr. Sodhi, is capacity then at 100% right now? And would you say you've actually increased market share during this time?
Yeah. As far as capacity is concerned, see, our capacity usage is not based on the market, how much milk we get. Like I said, when we got 15% more milk, we have to process it. In fact, we have to hire 4 plants from the private. Plants were closed because we had the full capacity. So right now also, all our plants are working 100%, except the ice cream plants are not on 100% capacity. Frankly speaking, it was closed for more than 1.5 months. Now it is on 30-40% capacity. But whether milk processing, packing, cheese, or the butter or the ghee, all to the full capacity. And I think it will continue. We don't expect any reduction in capacity utilization.
Okay, and as the lockdown eases, what are some of the trends that are emerging now? For example, are you seeing categories that like ice cream that were lagging, start to see a resumption of demand? Are there still challenges on the supply side now that things are actually reopening?
Well, you're right with this. Things opening up, demand will come, but there is a change in consumer preference. Now, there is drastic reduction in impulse buying or stick buying because people are not going out. Out of consumption, as ice cream has reduced tremendously. But in-home consumption, so people are going for bigger packs of ice cream, the tub pack, etc. So naturally, we have to increase production of that. But I feel in case of product like ice cream and beverages, if we get the average sale, we'll be lucky. In other products, definitely increase will be there because consumer is preferring more of safe brand, trusted brand, affordable brand. So Amul is able to meet that expectation. And other important aspect is distribution availability. So we are lucky that we are able to make our products available across India, everywhere, all the channels, whether general trade, modern trade, or e-commerce. E-commerce sales are doubled or more than that because the sales is shifting from modern trade to e-commerce or to the general trade. So that much adjustment in our distribution channel we are making because we had the separate distributor for modern channel, modern trade. So we have to give them the job of general trade, etc. also.
The nature of Amul is that it's cooperative, which is that if you're associated with Amul, the idea is that everybody should benefit, everybody should prosper, everyone should make money. How does your philosophy now tie in with what the private sector is doing? Earlier Amul was about reach, providing milk to everyone, increase India's dependability or India's dependability within India itself. Where do you see next 5-7 years for Amul at a time when the competition from the private sector in the dairy segment has only intensified and will only intensify further?
Nikunji, more competition for any agriculture produced by buying is good for the producer. Amul is owned by the farmers. So if more private sector, big private sector, transparent private sector. Yes. Are coming in the market, farmers will get the benefit of better price realization. Now, you see, when Amul is in the market, and we are the market leader both in procurement and in the market. So everybody has to follow Amul, whether giving price to the farmer or selling the product. So one side, because of our presence, farmers are getting benefit of the level playing field, and because of competition of Amul, private sector has to pay. Similarly, consumer is able to get the product at more or less same price because nobody will buy XYZ brand butter more than the Amul. So we are able to control both that type. Now coming next 5 years are very interesting. You see, Finance Minister has announced 15,000 crore rupees for dairy infrastructure fund. With that, we can increase the organized sector dairy processing by 5 crore litre, which is around 50%. And with this, lot of people migrating to the rural India, especially to the UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. And these are the big deficit states. So if these migrant labor in the rural India, and they don't have the land for cultivation also, that's why they've got to Bombay, Delhi. If they can be diverted more for the animal husbandry, they can earn around 10 to 12,000, 15 rupees sitting in the village. And India can produce more, and India can not only continue to be self-sufficient, we can become dairy to the world, because we are surrounded by all the dairy deficit countries, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Middle East, Southeast. So why not, like our Honorable Prime Minister said, vocal for local. So we already are in dairy, India is self-sufficient, the global local brands are the market leader. So this is also the opportunity if we use this money very efficiently to India to become global leader in dairy too.
So, Sondiji, what's been your personal experience sitting at home? More lassi of Amul, more chas of Amul, more butter or more ghee?
I wish, but Nikunji, fortunately we are in a small city called Anand. There was a lockdown, and fortunately there will not be any case here, and our home is just about 1 minute drive. So absolutely not for a single day our office stopped. No doubt people are not coming, but at least what to do at home. So it's like home office is more or less very near. So it's and lot of logistics and other arrangements have to be made. A lot of video calls, Zoom calls, this was happening. So I think we were rather more busy in the office than at home.
Oh, it's appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us. I mean, sincere compliments for Amul and what they managed to do for Indian consumers. I mean, there's never been a day when the morning chai was without the doodh in it, and that's largely because of the great distribution, the commitment you have towards the nation. Appreciate your time, sir. Thank you for staying with us, and thank you for joining us today.